Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the future of neural network. Let's start with what is neural network. Neural networks are the collection of algorithms that mimic the operations of the human brain in order to recognize relationships among massive amounts of data. They are utilized in everything from forecasting and market research to fraud detection and risk assessment in the financial services industry. A neural network is one of the most popular data-driven approaches ascribed by various authors to machine learning, data mining, soft computing, and so on. A neural network is a data processing system that stimulates the activities and connections of biological neurons to approximate the behavior of human brain. On the basis of an existing representative data set, it conducts human-like reasoning, learns the attitude, and restores the link between the processes. As a result, the neural network don't require much in the way of a thorough definition or formulation of the underlying process. Let's discuss the development of neural network. Neural network has grown over the previous decade from a research tool to a tool that is used to solve a variety of real-world issues, including physical system control, engineering difficulties, statistics, and even medical and biological disciplines. The growing use of neural network is supported by the number of European patents issued in the previous decade. Neural network in today's world. Neural networks are changing how people and organizations interact with systems, solve problems, and make better decisions and predictions. Now let us talk about the future of neural network. The ability of neural networks to handle more difficult issues is becoming more realistic as their size grows at a rapid rate. If we put in figures, doubling every 2.5 years. Combination of bigger neural networks, increased processing power, larger data sets, and the findings of decades of study provides a promising future for the use of neural networks to help society, provided that AI ethics are integrated. Neural networks are extensively applied for assessment purposes like rainfall runoff modeling, water quality prediction in natural flows, approximating ecological relations. We can make CPUs and GPUs cheaper and quicker thanks to technical breakthroughs allowing us to create larger, more efficient algorithms. We may also create neural networks that can handle more data or processes more faster, allowing them to learn to recognize patterns with only 1,000 samples rather than 10,000. As a result, neural networks excel at a wide range of tasks, the majority of which require identifying patterns in vast amount of data. They are more suited to situations that people are naturally excellent at, but computers are typically terrible at than traditional computer design, making generalizations, picture recognitions, and similar tasks. Furthermore, researchers are always building networks that are more effective in solving these issues. I hope that you learned something new from this video. Please do like our video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon.